LinkedIn Learning Review. Is it still worth using? Let's find out. So make sure to like and subscribe. So, LinkedIn Learning, previously known as Lynda, is one of the biggest online learning platforms, offering courses in business, tech, and creative skills. In 2025, it continues to grow with over 20,000 courses taught by industry professionals. The platform is easy to navigate with structured video lessons, quizzes, and completion certificates that you can display on your LinkedIn profile. That makes it attractive for professionals wanting to boost their credibility. The pricing is $39.99 per month or $239.88 per year, with a 1 month free trial. Compared to competitors like Udemy or Coursera, LinkedIn Learning offers more career focused integration but less in depth academics courses. A key benefit is that courses are often short and practical, making them perfect for upskilling quickly. However, if you are looking for advanced certifications or university backed programs, platforms like Coursera may be a better fit. So, for final verdict, LinkedIn Learning is absolutely worth it in 2025 if your goal is career development, networking, and professional skill building. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.